in the park, park, park. Everybody in the park, park, park. Everybody in the park, park, park.
Did you know that you can do so much more with one lipstick? That's right. Today, I will show you how you can use one lipstick in multiple ways. Let's get started. Number 1, using it for color correction. I'm using my red lipstick here under my eyes to cover the dark circles. I will now use my fingers to dab it and blend it nicely and cover the dark circles. An orange or red lipstick works best for someone who has a darker complexion, while a peachy lipstick would work better for light to medium skin tones as a color corrector. Number 2, using it as contour. I'm taking a nude colored lipstick here, a shade darker than my skin tone. You can see it's a little dark shade of brown. I will use this creamy lipstick in brown shade to contour my forehead, cheekbones and jawline like this. We are putting little dots along the contouring sections. And now I'm using a brush to blend it. Number 3, using it as a blush. So if you guys have red, orange or pink lipstick, you can use it as a blush too. Let me show you how. I will just dab a few dots of my pink lipstick on the apples of my cheeks like this. Now I will use this brush to blend it. You can also blend it with your fingers. Look, my cheeks look so naturally flushed. Number 4, using it as an eyeshadow. Use a liquid lipstick or you can also use a creamy one. However guys, please avoid using matte lipsticks as they dry easily. Before I begin, I will quickly apply the primer over my eyelids to prevent the oil from the lids from messing my eye makeup. I will just take a tiny amount of the lipstick on my finger and apply it on the eyelid. Now I'm just gonna set it well with translucent powder. I'm also adding a little bit of highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. You can use glossy lipstick for a more high fashion look. If you want to create a monochromatic look, use lipsticks from the same shades. Number 1, using it for color correction. Number 2, using it as contour. Number 3, using it as a blush. Number 4, using it as an eyeshadow. So guys, I hope these tricks of using one lipstick for many different purposes really work for you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye!